Friends, I have a truly unique item on my table because in this box, which we will discuss a little later, lies an amazing high-end amplifier by all parameters, which our company S.A.Lab considers, well, as an entry ticket. Imagine, yes, this is how they package super expensive items made in the West, and ours say, well, please, buy it and listen. And you'll understand that this, yes, this is the entry level, and they also have truly top-tier items. Just think, our hero operates on so-called high-class SID transistors, which were made where? In the USSR, correct. They were developed there, and here they are applied. This is truly gratifying for me and for Comrade Lenin that Soviet developments are still being used and indeed making an impact, or maybe not, we will find out, on the whole world. Let's open it together with this. With a Microtech knife, we'll get inside, see how everything is packed, take it out, and evaluate its first-class paint job, because it's really done by masters who are involved in high-quality car painting. And then, of course, we'll listen, maybe in another video. But first, I ask you to subscribe to my Telegram channel, where truly exclusive materials are published. Also, where are we? Everywhere. Rutube Zenfo Kontakte. Subscribe, friends, and you will definitely help me, because I need and value each of your voices. In general, how do they pack high-end items? In other countries, for example, in Canada, here's my favorite Bryson. Look at this box. BDP3. It costs 800,000 rubles. And look at what it comes in. To you, to me, yes, to any buyer in this kind of cardboard. Yes, good quality, no questions there. And everything is quite well packed here. But still, friends, it's cardboard. No plywood, no particle board. Real wood, friends. And when you receive such an item, you understand what you're paying for. Because, well, in the worst case, you can disassemble it and use it to light, for example, your fireplace. Just imagine you opened this amplifier, broke the box, cut it up, chopped it with an axe, threw it into your fireplace, drinking wine, listening to exquisite music, and enjoying yourself. Practical use indeed. And how long will this last you? This cardboard? Well, maximum there. About 10 minutes, but here you can get warmth for hours, which is, by the way, relevant, friends, now for another part of the planet, so to speak, where energy is very expensive. Even a Finnish knife can't handle it, so we'll do it the old-fashioned way. Friends, with a screwdriver. What other options do we have? A Russian person will always find a way out of the situation. In general, you know what this is? I don't really like it. Why? Because the screwdriver didn't come with it, friends. To our friends from S.A.Lab, a remark. Well, include a screwdriver, then it will be complete feng shui, so that people receiving such a box won't be left, so to speak, with nothing. Because if you don't have a proper, preferably an automatic screwdriver that makes life easier, it will be difficult, you won't be able to open it. And there should be complete feng shui here, right? Or am I wrong? Write it down. Please, in the comments, a little mishap. I got a pretty deep cut. I just barely touched it with this knife, and it simply went through my fabric and blood gushed out. In short, I just patched myself up, and I'm ready to continue, friends, because art demands sacrifice. I can't stop. I can't let you not see what's inside. So let's take a look. Unfortunately, I'm now injured. What can you do? The shaft doesn't pull. Did you see that, huh? How it glows, huh? What is this? Huh? Like in the movie Pulp Fiction. You've watched it, right? Open it. Is it what I think it is, right? This is the second time, huh? And all this with Russian amplifiers. Well, seriously, I just put a lamp there to make it more interesting. Again, it's the little things. Not just some cellophane, not just some material even, but practically leather. Well, it's good that it's not real. I hope our people care about nature. But this is extremely cool because you really get a very awesome solid thing. It's heavy, my goodness. It doesn't output much in class. In which class, by the way? I'll be your friends. Write in the comments. Even like this, it's hard to take out. Igor, come in. It's hard to surprise me, but these are really the little things that make you smile. And it's pleasant. Because the front feels nice to the touch, and look at how the inside is made. It's just velvet. And it smells, by the way, it smells incredibly delicious, but that's not all. Look at the color, how deep it is. I already did a review on a device from S.A.Lab, and its feature was also one of them. This painting, friends, look, I said it then, and I say it now, to indeed achieve such a deep color, truly such a shine, such a variety, I would absolutely even say shades. Because depending on how you look at this body, it plays differently. What distinguishes expensive cars, like Bentley, Rolls-Royce, or the S-Class, from, for example, Hyundai, Kia, or even, I don't know, Volkswagen. Well, naturally, first and foremost, it's the appearance, specifically the paint job. Here there is a very deep color, which is achieved, firstly with lacquer, and secondly with multiple layers of this very paint. And when you have layering plus a quality lacquer coating, you get such a palette. On one side it's a silvery, somewhat dark color, and on the other it just shines all over. Another nuance, as far as I know, the facade is made of stone. Friends, imagine, once again, there's Hein, there's Denon standing opposite me. It has a metal facade, and ours took and made a facade out of artificial stone. Now that's what I call an approach. Simply, no, compromise. How do the Japanese love to write their techniques? 200 watts, 500 watts, 1000 watts. But with us, everything is honest. 50 watts, continuous power, 250 hours, peak and 16. Peak and amperes, friends. That's all in it. The preliminary amplification is carried out by an integrated circuit on bipolar transistors. Double mono, two 200-watt transformers, wound with care by girls in the Moscow region, and not with copper wire, but silver or silver-plated, but we will find out a bit later. Friends, all of this is made by us again. How can one not be proud of such technical refinements? But personally, I find it very flattering, and in general, when I look at it, the tone outplays, it's done in terms of appearance, you know, it's like 50-50. If we compare it with some top model in terms of paintwork, in terms of facade, ours is better. And by the way, in terms of terminals too, friends, I will show them to you now. Let's go around to the back before turning it on and make sure that it really is an uncompromising thing, despite the fact that the lineup is not a version. These are the kind of terminals used, well, where? Well, something vaguely similar is used by Boulder, right? Well, for example, in Bristol, my favorite, in my opinion, the terminals are slightly worse. Look, here we have the full package. The only thing I will say right away that is inconvenient is that the headphone jack is located at the back. There are trigger inputs, and accordingly we have speaker A, speaker B, naturally, a grounding socket, and naturally, 3 RCA. Inputs, and 2 balanced ones. By the way, it can also be used as a power amplifier for a home theater. As far as I know, you can turn off the preamp. Let's now see how it lights up, how its front panel glows. As Viktor Mikhailovich says, let's connect the mouse tail. Will it withstand such currents? Well, it should, because I took it from the box from under the Bristol. By the way, it has capacitors of 22,000 microfarads. Is that a lot or a little? Write it down. A green dot lit up in the comments, which means it's ready to work. There are essentially no buttons, and it seems, what is there to buzz about? It's simple usability. This knob here, it's also a button. See? A little push, and it turned on. Minus 20 dB. Notice, now, exclamation marks have lit up. This means you need to wait a little bit. And, if anything, please, mono mode. Press it. Load. Well, it's cool, good. In the next video, I will definitely tell and show almost everything about it. We will unbox it. Naturally, I need to listen to it for at least 2 weeks and make an accurate review, whether it's good or not. Stay with us and be sure to subscribe to our channel.